Hello everyone and welcome back to RimWorld Mod Testing. Today we are looking at I believe a new mod brought to us by the people from Vanilla Expanded. It's the Vanilla Genetics Expanded More Lab Stuff. Yeah, that's a mouthful and a half, ain't it? Anyway, I think it's a newer mod. I didn't see it beforehand, and so I'm pretty sure that they just come out with it recently. So that means we're gonna have to put stuff down in here. Luckily, I think it's only one workbench so far, so at least according to this, I think all we get is the gene trainer bench. But let's set up the research here. And we will go grab our people to do some research. Everybody's sleeping, of course. But you know what? I don't care. Come research this. Get it done. What are you doing? You're relaxing. You can come research. And what are you doing? You are playing roulette. Again, don't really care. Come research. Okay. So I got my map room set up here. Basically it's the galaxy map and then containers with all my maps in them. My map room, yeah. I moved stuff over here from this room, and then there was a bunch of wooden crap that they were having a hard time moving, so I had them put it in here. So I don't know why they keep trying to shove it in there and not take it down to the regular storage area. My storage is a bit questionable, I suppose. I need more storage, and I need to figure out how I want to set up some of this stuff, because I mean, I got stuff crammed in here, and then stuff crammed over here, stuff crammed up here. And I want more room for more cheese once I can get the milks I need to make the other cheese. So yeah, not 100% sure how things are gonna go yet. See, they're still bringing crap up here even though I tell them not to. What the hell? I don't know why they're... I stopped this being a area for them to dump, and they'll still dump it there. Or they'll go outside and dump it everywhere. That's the problem I was having. They're throwing stacks of wood everywhere, and it still ain't so bad whenever they throw it outside. I mean, it don't have an issue with it, but okay, so there we go. Research is done, which means that we can move on to trying to see what we got here. I believe it would be under genetics. Yep. And this is our genetic trainer bench. Takes 100 steel to advance components, and oh, thank goodness it ain't that big, so I can just shove it right here. That's beautiful, and I already have a chair that I brought down for it. Because like I said, when I looked, it only showed one bench on the research, so I was hoping there was only one. And right, so we will have somebody come down, move that chair, and then if I can get you to do the... Where did you go? I clicked off you. That's Avery. Where the hell did Warner go? You know what? I'll just come up and grab you that way. How about that? After I get you to move the chair, then if I can get you to build that, you should have all the stuff right down here that you need. So hopefully you won't run all the way back up top to grab it. I hope. But this should be a semi-quick thing, I hope. I don't know. Depends. Because there's a lot of gene stuff that is gene trainer thingies. where you can inject. How I think what it does is, no, I could be completely wrong. We'll find out once we get there. But how this one you can do the human implant with the boom lobe. I think you can inject the gene straight into the person and they might get a trait. I'm not 100% sure on that. I mean, the Steam page did not give a whole lot of details about that. So I guess we'll find out once they get the table built. And yes, thankfully he is just gonna grab this stuff down here, which is good because I didn't want him to have to run all the way back up top. And, you know, then come all the way back down whenever the stuff's already down here. So, oh, though you are a little slow, but oh well. You will get it done as long as you don't mess it up. I do have a colossal, well, you know, the Thrumbo Paragon brewing there. As long as it don't go bad, we'll be fine. Alright, so we can craft a bear genome gene trainer, bear resilience, are implants that do not take place of any given organ. Only one can be installed at a time. Using a second genome trainer will have no effect, and genome trainer will be wasted. Bear in mind that genome trainer modifies the genes of the human subject, and only death will get rid of the effects. Lovely. So that is the bear resistance. Now, which means it may be different than this, because this one here you get strength and stamina, and this one here is the hibernation, which is a biochip that modifies the brain to reduce need for sleep. So yeah, I guess that is a totally different thing. Alright, so we got that. And what do you require? You require one genome and one ingredient, which is, ooh, okie dokie. You need to alter, yeah. Okay, so basically it takes one of our things up here, either one of our skill trainers, or not those, might work with like these, or maybe these. Okay, so yeah, that yeah, because that's a side trainer or skill trainer, so it won't work with the other things. And well, no though, because oh yeah, because it's side trainer. Okay, well, I do have side trainers that I believe I threw in this. I think I did, if I didn't get rid of them already. I may have, because I haven't been using them. Oh no, there we go. I do got a couple of side trainers. Let's see. Any other ones in here? Boop boop ba-doop ba-doop. Any other side trainers? Yeah, there's one. There's one. Because I get them from the fishing site. And since I don't really use them, I just throw them in here. And that's all I have. Okay, so I ain't got that many, but did have a couple. So, don't got a whole lot we could do due to the fact that these do require, but let's see. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Alright, so that's 11 different things, because there's 12 areas and they don't count, or they don't use the human one, obviously, so yeah, so there's 11. We have 4 there. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we can make 9 of them. I just can't make the last 2. Alright, so which ones aren't we gonna make? Well, probably the feline and the bird. Well, the bird would probably be a chicken thing, so probably allow you to lay eggs. And this one probably allow you to be milked. So let's go feline and the dog, I guess. We won't do all the rest. We should have enough stuff to do. I mean, unfortunately, I did not realize we were going to need that stuff, you know. So, to say, you know, I'm prepared, I'm not, technically, but what can I do? But that will at least get us most of what we can make. Right. Then I still want to set up... let's get them made, and then we will see what's going on. So... crap, I need to bring this down there then. I have the treat giver on there. Let's move that. That one's full. That one's full. Crap. What about you? Are you full? No, you're not full. Okay, good. We'll have you take the treat trainer. Or the trait giver, I mean. Not trainer. Okay, we're going to do that, and then we're going to hop over here, stop that one, go to contents, and we will throw that one off. And we're going to bring this down here, so that way they can have access to this stuff, which is going to mess up my perfectly planned areas, but what else is new? Let's just... yeah, I'll just throw it there, why not? Okay. Let's see. Kit, yeah. Not far. So let's have you grab that, bring that down here. And then we can get them to bring this stuff down there, because these should all fit on there. So once they have those down there, it shouldn't be too much for them to make it. It's just a matter of getting all that stuff moved around, though. Again, poor planning and positioning. That's why I wanted to try to have a more general area for storing stuff, but unfortunately I just don't have what I need. Nope, I do not. Also was looking at some of these. There's a few of these things that could be relatively useful for some of our super soldier type things. Oh yeah, and the other thing it adds is this animal mind controller as well. You can craft an animal mind controller implant. This implant allows you to control, allows this creature to be drafted and controlled by the player. Well, considering you need control things for the hybrids, I wonder if that would work with this. One animal implant, animal mind control. Oh, okay. Two advanced components makes one of them. Okay, never mind. Gotcha. Anyway, I was looking at some of these here, and I was thinking that, some of these aren't like terrible. Like the wolf muscle fibers. From what I read, gives you strength and speed, which would be probably a good thing. What other ones? There's a couple I seen that I looked at. What's this one? Increasing learning and research. That would be good for, like Flamingo. Even though she's already really good at that stuff, but, rejected proposal, Red proposed to Dune, and Dune rejected. Poor Red. Oh well. It happens. Anyway, bear muscles, add strength and stamina. That'd be more for a melee character though. Or the hibernation module reduces your need for sleep. Then, so quite a few different things here that could be relatively useful. I mean, I don't know for sure, but they could be. Are you getting that brought down here or what? Holy hell, you're slow. Any day now would be nice. Where the hell is she? I don't know. I have no idea where she's at. Yeah, she's coming somewhere. Has to be, because I don't see her up top and the thing's missing up here. So she must be on her way down. Oh, there she is. Okay. Now all we gotta do is wait for them to move everything down here. And then make this stuff. So that is the next step, I guess. So we will be back in a bit. And we're back. Okay. So one quick thing I did not realize till somebody was actually carrot. Wait, what are you? Hello, you are my Muffalo Bear. Hey, and you actually are female. Holy cripes. That means I get my wool and my milk. Somebody gonna come grab you, I suppose? Viv was, but you know what? Kato can do it. Anyway, now since that distraction's out of the way, I didn't realize it, but yeah, they can use resurrectors and healer mech serums along with the trait giver or the neuro mod booster or the passion giver or the reconditioner. Honestly, I can't see wasting a resurrector, a healer, or even the trait or the neuro mod. I'm not so sure about the passion giver. I might allow that. And the reconditioner, long-term memory essentially create new life for believes in. That one I probably would use too. But I can't see replacing a resurrector with something, one of these. So if you're like me, make sure you disable that or they will try to use it, because that is how I found out about it. Because they were carrying it down, and that is 2% away from being done. Hallelujah. Okay, so the insect genome is okay. Genome, this gives the mind health state, making subjects specialize in construction and repair at the expense of plant and animal skills. Okay. Muffalo. This one, wild atonement health state, increasing plant work speed, carry capacity, foraging, and leather amount. Okie dokie. Let's see. Reptile, what do you offer? Gives cold-blooded health state, making subject more stealthy and resistant to high temperatures. Okay. Colossal gives animal empathy health state, making subject much more efficient when dealing with animals. Okay, the boom, ability to produce chem fuel like a boomalope. Lovely. Yes, I must go be milked now for my chem fuel. Series of health states related to bear resilience. That don't exactly tell me what you do. Okay, so it gives plus 5 carry capacity, 10% to pain shock threshold, 5% manipulation, times 85% pain. Does that mean you feel 85% less pain? I hope. Not more pain? I don't know. Anyway, rodent gives the okay, increasing social capacity. Seriously? Wow. You done did. You give 20 negotiation ability, social impact, and trade price on a rodent. I don't think rats are that social. Well, they are social, I suppose. Tireless health state, making subject will need less rest. Plus 80% to the rest rate multiplier. That ain't bad, I guess. Well, you know who we gotta try this on, right? Can we just inject it, or yes, we can. Nice. Okay, can you just come inject that then? Of course, you know we gotta do it on Vivo, because Vivo is our resident trader, and right now her trades are 418. Well, negotiations 418, trade 64. You might want to pause that while I look at this. Well, I don't know, where the hell is she anyway? Might have enough time to look at before she gets down. Oh yeah, we got plenty of time to look at before she gets her ass down there. Alright, so anyway, as I was saying, her current thing is 418 for negotiation, 64.5 for trade, and 226.05 for social. So we will see where she gets off to once she gets her butt down here. And how we doing on you? Or you should be almost done, because you're only a few percentage behind the other one. So that is decent. And then this one will be getting done soon-ish too. Probably not this episode, but hopefully this one gets done. And hopefully it don't go all Nazi on me, meaning the flesh beast. Because it had like 15% chance to go Flesh Beast, and that's with a stabilizer. Without a stabilizer, it had a 25% chance to go Flesh Beast. Hello, Vivo. Where the hell are you? Criminy. I mean, I get... Oh, there she is, slowly making her way around. This is why I said everything's so far apart. I want to set up like little complexes in that to where people are closer to areas, but wouldn't do much good because they still have to go clean across the map to get anything done anyway. Though if I could get the workshops more in tune with a storage room, I'd be better off too. But this here isn't a storage area. Well, I was thinking I could move batteries, put some storage down here, maybe relocate this area, like make that whole section here into storage. Maybe even make this whole section into storage. I don't know. Also, I'd like to put a bedroom over here for Kato, so she's closer for emergency. You know, if she's sleeping, she don't have to run clean across the thing to come do an emergency, you know. And of course, one of our batteries is broken, and Viv is supposed to be fixing it, so I guess I will let Viv fix it and hope that they get there eventually. Hey, Vivo, you're finally here. Now remember the important numbers, 418 and whatever else I already forgot. What was it again? 418, 64.5, and 226. Okay. So go inject yourself with some nanites, or nanobots, or whatever they are. And again, nothing is very fast on this game, so a quarry worker from the 11th Alliance. That's nice. Nobody cares. Okay, come on, Vivo. They're holding everything up. And done. Okay. Now that should show up here, right? Yep. Rodent Geno Trainer. Alright, so now if we go in here, your number should be, well, look at that. Okay, she went from 418 to 456. Now that is more than 20%. Right. And then she jumped to 70.5. What? Oh crap, what was she at before? I forget now. This was 226, I know that. So that's a big ass jump there. That definitely... What? Yeah. Definitely a jump. Wow. Okay. So yeah, that pretty good for being injected with rodent DNA, essentially. But yeah, there we go. Our trader is now, and she is stuck in wonder mode, which means she'll just stand there for a bit. But anyway, that is the newest from the vanilla expanded faction people. Vanilla expanded people, I should say. That I know of anyway. So, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Till next time, I'm out of here. Bye-bye.